Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of Thursday Thunder here at Horizon Hobby. I'm Kyle Roberts, joined currently by James Haley.
Hey, everybody.
And we have also something new from Arrma coming up. So if you see something you don't like here on the table, stay tuned. We got more cool stuff coming up here shortly. We have James here because a lot of the guys are up in Oshkosh right now for the EAA deal. So we grabbed James to talk about this new Blade Ozone. So
Yep.
James, take it away. What are we looking at here?
Yeah, so this is the new Blade Ozone. A lot of people might remember the MQX from way back when, so it's very similar to that size-wise. We've updated a lot of things, specifically the flight control. It's got a very similar flight controller to the Inductrix, so very good self-leveling. So it's got safe in it. Very simple to use. It comes with an MLP4 transmitter, which is very simple. You got dual rates, and you got your basic controls. This is a great quad to learn on. It's very stable, very durable. It's got LEDs in each of the pods. It's got a main LED right there on the board in the center with under the clear, so it illuminates the body. Great flight time. You're looking at probably 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how you fly it. So it's really good for learning. Like I said, it's very durable. So if you're just wanting to get into a quad, learn orientations, or just go have fun, you can even fly outdoors in some really low winds. So it's great for the backyard, that kind of thing.
Cool. And now, does this come with like spare props, anything like that? Or is it pretty durable?
It's very durable. Okay. No spare props, but you know, unlike a lot of the quads out there, this is fully supported with parts. You can replace everything on it. So if you break it, dog gets it, you know, anything like that, you can fix it right back up.
And this comes as a ready to fly, as you said?
Yeah, ready to fly. Okay. So this includes the transmitter, the quad, and the battery and charger. So everything you need in it to get up in the air and fly.
And how much does that run?
So you're looking at $99.99.
Okay. Yep. That's pretty fair. And then when will we see these actually coming in stock? Do you know?
So we're looking at mid-August right now.
Okay.
So really right around the corner.
That sounds late, but now I'm like, man, July's already almost
July's done.
Jeez.
We're done now.
So for more information, jump over to horizonhobby.com. We will also have information on social media as well, and probably in the YouTube description if you're watching on YouTube. Aside from that, we are going to let James go. We're going to jump back with Brad, who's going to talk about some Arrma stuff. So thanks, James.
Yep, no worries. Thanks, guys.
And welcome back. We are now joined by Brad Brucker.
How's it going?
Good, representing Arrma. And we don't have anything here to show you.
Sorry.
We're going to roll a video over this, but we've done a little teaser, or at least Arrma put out a teaser. We shared it to Horizon Hobby's page and Tower. So, Brad, what are you here to talk about? Because it was a teaser, but we didn't actually reveal the name.
So, it's the Granite and Sinton BLX 3S version.
Okay.
So, it is brushless, lipo ready. So, it's ready to rock and roll.
Very cool. And so, you're hopefully right now you're watching a video of this, since we don't have anything. Either that or there'll be pictures. Now, this is a update, I believe, of the older version, correct?
Yes. They beat up the drivetrain to handle the brushless power.
Okay.
They did a few small tweaks with the chassis as well. One thing they added with the Granite was a wheelie bar as well. So, yeah, you can do some wheelies with that monster power.
That's always a good sign when you have to add a wheelie bar to something stock.
Yes.
And so what kind of speed and...
50 mile an hour right out of the box.
Wow.
So, yeah, you can get...
So it comes with the 3S battery? Or that's,
no, you buy that separate. What's great is the Dynamite has the power bundle now. You can actually purchase, and it gets you ready to go right away.
That's
so
right, very
it comes
cool.
with the battery and charger, that aspect of things.
Okay, so it's kind of similar to, it comes with a controller, and you just have to provide the battery.
Yes,
power.
correct.
Very cool. And this is a waterproof, kind of the same stuff you would get from Arrma and all their other vehicles.
Yes. It's based off the Mega version that you've seen here in the past recently.
Okay.
Just like I said, beefed up components to handle the brushless power.
And now with the beefed up stuff, does it come with a new price, or where do we look at?
Yeah, you're looking at $299 for the price.
Okay.
So it's a little more, but you're getting the beefed up chassis and also brushless power, 3S power.
Yes.
So
Very
the well-known Arrma power behind it. Yes.
Very cool. We will give you guys more info on this. This should be releasing soon.
Yes, very soon, right around the corner.
Okay, so we'll give you more information on probably right now more on towerhobbies.com, but these will be on Horizon Hobby shortly. So stay tuned. We'll have all the info on probably in the description for the product video.
Yeah.
And other than that, we're going to let you go. Kept it short and sweet for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Make sure if you're watching on YouTube, you like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Aside from that, we'll see you guys next week.
See ya.
Thanks.